Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC I have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Tiguan we're going to go over how you would disconnect the negative battery cable in case you're doing any work on the vehicle in the engine bay, being alternator, starter, anything that's going to be electrical. You're going to want to disconnect your negative battery post or cable. So first we're going to pop the hood, and once you've got the hood popped and supported with this support rod, then we have our battery under this cover right here. This cover is actually missing some other components, so depending on the life of your car, you may not even have this cover, and you might not have the side components. But if you did, this is press the tab to unlock and pull it up, and then we have our positive cable here, and we have our negative cable here. And so to undo that negative cable, it is just a 10 millimeter. We're going to just loosen up and then be able to remove. And then we want to make sure that we can keep it up out of the way so that it doesn't slip down and touch that while you're doing other work on your vehicle. And so that's how you would disconnect your negative battery post if you are doing electrical work and you don't want to cause any sparks or issues. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.